All right, what's up guys? Quick intro to the video. Out here with Puppy Dog. So we have got the one and only LIQUI MOLY on board with sponsoring these cars, providing them with all the fluids they need to keep these old girls running on the road. So huge shout out to LIQUI MOLY for making all this possible. And let's get right into the action. Crackin' fam, out here freezing my off at our favorite place in the world. So after many sleepless nights, lots of daydreaming, I think I have decided what I'm going to do with these two Foresters. And there we go, much better. Now I'm not out here squinting with this light diffusion. So I have decided what we're doing with the Foresters. What I am doing with these Foresters is what my vision of how Subaru would have made a WRX and an STI trim level of an NA Forester.
Say what?
So, what does that mean exactly? No, I'm not just building another Crossport. No, I'm not just building another XT. No, I'm not just building another STI replica. Kind of just like OEM Plus or upgraded trim models of an NA Forester, you know. So, that means we'll be doing things like WRX wheels, WRX suspension, WRX brakes, WRX transmission, WRX driveline. You know, for the WRX trim model, I feel like, you know, the STI model would be the one that has more of like body upgrades and stuff. So some upgraded interior parts, you know, black out some of the maybe carpet, WRX seats, you know, those are black, stuff like that. Probably black door cards. And that's just for the WRX model. So we're doing all that same stuff, but STI parts for this one.
Damn!
So that's gonna be like STI wheels, STI brakes, Brembos, STI suspension, you know, strut springs, STI exhaust for this one. This one's also going to have STI seats, black carpet from an XT, what else? This one's going to have 3-spoke steering wheel, that one's going to have 4, this one's going to have an XT hood, and of course, 6-speed swap.
Hell yeah! Hell yeah, bro!
So, you can kind of get an idea for the vision now. WRX model, STI model. Keep them in A, so it's a WRX trim and an STI trim. So there you have it, cat's out of the bag. Now you know the vision. Now you know what I've been losing sleep over the past couple days. And of course, one more thanks to LIQUI MOLY for keeping these old girls on the road. And yeah, let me get y'all's take. What do y'all think y'all would put on a NA, WRX, and STI Forester? There's gonna be a few, you know, secrets, you know, that I keep under wraps, you know, let y'all just see the final product, see how it goes. But yeah, if y'all have any recommendations or thoughts on how y'all would build those kind of Foresters, put it down in the comments and let's build something together.